Fucking hell, man, I never thought I'm gonna be doing this kind of stuff. Fucking showing it to people, that's the main thing. That was a professional job done over here. This is perfect. I know a lot of people are not gonna like it.
What?
Good morning, everyone. Another day, another mission. So what we're going to do today is, when I got this vehicle, it had, there's damage over here. And somebody decided to repainted it with a brush. You're not going to be able to see it that well because first thing is the vehicle is really dirty, so it covers it up. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on the camera, but as you can see, that was a professional job done over here.
Yeah, right.
And what we're going to do, we're going to do another professional job on it. I got this with the car. That's the paint that matches the color. We're going to use this to degrease it like now. Let's grab a nice and clean cloth. As you can see, it's all nice and rusted and shit. I wanted to fix it one day, but you know what it's like here. You can see it now on the camera. See that stuff? And that's basically the whole rear quarter has been painted like that with the brush. That's what I'm guessing, because there's no chance somebody did it with anything else. Got some brushes, yeah. Took it from my kids, but shh, don't tell anyone. Mix it up a little bit. See, it's not a lot in there, so I'm guessing they used the whole bloody thing on this car. So we're gonna get some paint on the brush and do a little touch up.
What?
How dare you!
We just wanted to make it look better for now from the far. So when I'm driving past it, you don't see a rusted piece of shit falling apart, you know. You want to see a nice car. With the way it's already painted, especially this quarter, that's not going to make a lot of difference, is it? It's already messed up. You can see the dent over here and shit. Yeah, it's looking good, man. Especially if you, stand away. Nice, quick and easy. But the main question is, how long is that gonna last? You know, because obviously the rust underneath it is gonna keep on doing this job. Like, hey, yum, 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 eating away your car. Well, in this case, my car, but you know what I mean. Yeah, we're gonna see how long that's gonna last. And we've got another rust spot on the other side.
Don't you dare.
If you look from here, I'm guessing you can still see it. But what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put you guys on there, get rid of those bubbles. That's why we've got a screwdriver. So remember, we want it to make it look better.
What?
See that? That's gonna be a professional job. It's gonna be the premium package, you know. That is bad underneath that, man, I'm telling you that. And we're gonna make it look better. Well, for some time at least. That's worse than I thought it would be.
What?
Oh, shh. Don't tell anyone. That was there already, if anyone asks you. Look at that. You can't really see the rust anymore. Yeah, for sure, mate. What's that shit? I mean, under the paint, you know. If you wanted to get it done properly, you'd end up probably fucking getting rid of the whole piece. You might want to go a little bit further as well. Just watch the fucking bumper, man. That's gonna end up really badly. There you go, man. Look at that. That's properly prepared.
What?
There we go. For a new paint without the primer. Nice. Fucking hell, man, I never thought I'm gonna be doing this kind of stuff. I'm fucking showing it to people, that's the main thing. But well, it is what it is, you know. We all do some stuff to get away with some other stuff for at least some time, you know. That's not looking promising so far. Fucking hell, guys. That might look horrible, but if you look from further away, it will be beautiful. How does that looking? Is it any better than the corrosion it was there before? Yeah, I'm guessing, you know, when it dries, especially if you think about it, when he's driving past it, you know, it's not the best. This is perfect.
What?
No, he ain't, I know, but I don't care. Let's check on the other side. Look at that, the other side. Well, especially because it's been all painted with a fucking brush all around it. Oh, look at that, we've got another spot there. Rust spot killer. Look at that one. Look at that. Who's gonna fix that in a minute?
No one.
What I want to do, get a nice thick layer of the paint on top of that, so you don't have those little curbs, you know, curbs, stairs, fucking jumping points, whatever you want to call it. So I am guessing that should be it for today. Oh yeah, you remember when we did the leak? Look at that, man. Look at that. Can't see it. Look at that. Blends in perfectly. That's what most people would do. But as soon as that dries, I'll be alright. I'm guessing. But as you know, I don't know. So don't take my word for it, you know. We're gonna see it in a few days. Let me just clean the brush. Should we try the brake cleaner? Well, that worked, doesn't it? It doesn't look like it. So we've got the brush sort of cleaned. There you go, motherfucker. There you go. Nice and easy, quick job, you know. Look at that. Nice looking mint. Comparing to what it was there, that looks alright. And it's not dried yet. Same on this side. You know, obviously, if you know about it and you're gonna look at it, you're gonna see it. But other than that, yeah, looking good. So that's it for today. I hope you liked it. Leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you think. I know a lot of people not gonna like it, be like, oh, you shouldn't do it like that, you should sand it, you know, prime it, whatever. I know, don't care. I just didn't want it to see the rust over there. I might do it one day, I might not. Shit happens, you know. I guess I see you next time. Yeah? Have a good one, guys.
What?